In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save photos and videos directly to the SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So first, ensure that an SD card has been inserted into your phone, and from there, open the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top, and in your camera settings, look for the option labeled storage location. From here, you should see you have two options, internal storage and SD card. So simply select your SD card. Once it's been set, you can now go back. And now, whenever you take photos, simply open them up and tap on the details icon, and you should see that the storage location reads SD card right there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.